Hi, it has been 1 month now since I've uploaded my first video tutorial on the JDBC. Well, due to some circumstances that I don't wish to share right now, but hopefully we will get we will get there. Okay. Um, Today I'm going to be continuing the series of tutorials and developing application for using the JDBC APIs in Java, and it's not going to be 100% JDBC because we are going to be developing the database and at the same time uh, using Java to develop our application. So I've also recorded the introductory video which you could have a look at, just to catch up on some things that I left out on the test introductory that I have previously. And this series is going to be uh, mainly on the development of our database. I'm going to be using my SQL database, my SQL database server, um, and the interface I'm going to be using to communicate with my database is phpMyAdmin. As you can see, I have an instance of MAM running on my local machine, and if I open the start page, let me just squeeze this up to my window. Yeah, there we go. Okay, and we go to phpMyAdmin. As you can see, I have series of projects that I've been working on here, but that's not actually the concern. We are going to create a database, and let's call this uh, OMS. I'm just gonna keep all in small letters. Which just stands for Order Management System. There we go. The database is created, and our first table is going to be the customer table, which is going to take let me just have 5 um, rows for now. And the first one is going to be the ID fee. I'm going to set that to an integer, and sorry, something goes wrong there. Just gotta see what's going on there. I want to refresh. Sorry about that, guys. Some of these things just happen. Okay. So let's have an ID fee. We say that's gonna be an integer field, and then we're gonna set that to auto increment. And our second fee is going to be the customer first name. I want to have all as lowercase. virtual. That's bit of. I'm gonna set that to 30. The last name is gonna set that to 30 as well. And the company name. Sorry about that. Gonna set that to 50. And address. Uh, let's say 30. Okay. Yeah, one important thing here is the database engine. I'm going to be using the InnoDB because I'm going to be using foreign keys constraints, which is only supported by InnoDB. We're going to save this. That was successful. We got a customer table here, and I'm going to create another one. As you can see, if I just take you down to what we are doing, this is our first table, and the second table is going to be the auto table. Let's get that done. In the auto table, we call this table orders, and as you can see, we have, yeah, 3 rows: the auto ID, the auto date, and the customer ID. Okay, gonna have that as an integer, and we're gonna increment that series, and the auto date, the data type is gonna be the time. Okay, and the customer ID is gonna be an integer, but this time we are not gonna set it to an auto increment because it is a foreign key. And don't always forget, set your database engine to InnoDB. Save that. Got our second table, and then let's see what we got on our presentation. And auto details, that's the trick. You need the auto detail to populate the details of product based on a particular auto ID. Yeah, let's just go along, and I'm sure you will catch up. Okay. Yeah, I think I'm running out of time. I will pause there and then see you on the next video. Cheers.